Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
While there are 100 ways to keep frizzy hair under control, there are days when your hair decides to have a mind of its own and it just doesn't want to stay down. While braiding might seem like an easy option, with that much frizz, it is going to end up looking messy. So I've got a quick hack for you to make sure that your braid stays tight all day long and it looks like you have your frizz under control. Make sure you brush your hair with a comb before you begin. Take some water on your fingertips, add a couple of drops of serum and run your fingers through your hair. Make sure you apply serum only to your mid-lengths and ends. Keep the serum away from your roots as it can make your hair and scalp look a little oily. Braid your hair like you normally would. I honestly prefer the French braid because it stays tight and looks good all day long. And you're done! This hack works every time without fail, so let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Also, while you're at it, make sure you check out the POPxo shop. We have some amazing things like mugs, cushion covers, laptop skins and a lot more. The link is in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And for more such videos, keep watching POPxo Beauty.